Are you feeling overwhelmed by the clutter in your home? Do you ever walk into a room and instantly feel stressed by the mess surrounding you? Clutter not only makes your home look disorganized, but it also impacts your peace of mind, making even the simplest tasks feel daunting. But what if I told you that achieving a peaceful, clutter-free home is not only possible, but also easier than you might think? You don't need a major overhaul, just a few clever strategies that will transform your space without the stress. Today, I'm going to show you 10 minimalist hacks that will help you declutter your home fast, keep it organized, and create a stress-free environment where you can truly relax and enjoy life. Let's start with one of the most powerful and effective hacks, the one-in, one-out rule. It's incredibly simple, but incredibly effective. Here's how it works. For every new item that enters your home, one old item must leave. Think of it like maintaining balance. Whenever you buy something new, you avoid adding to the clutter by removing something you no longer need. Here's a vivid example. Let's say you've just bought a new blender that you love. Instead of letting it join the rest of the kitchen gadgets, collecting dust on your counter, apply the one-in, one-out rule. Remove an old blender or kitchen tool you no longer use. This small habit prevents clutter from creeping in, so your home stays organized over time. It's all about being mindful of what you allow into your space. Feeling like you don't have hours to dedicate to decluttering? That's completely understandable. Life gets busy and it's hard to find the time to spend an entire day cleaning. But the good news is, you don't need to. Introducing the 20-minute decluttering sprint. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 20 minutes and choose one specific area of your home, whether it's that cluttered shelf, messy bedroom, or overflowing drawer. In just 20 minutes, you'd be surprised how much you can accomplish. Tackle that pile of clothes on your chair, sort through the kitchen drawer full of random gadgets, or finally put away those items that have been sitting out for weeks. Don't overthink it. Just dive in, focus on one area, and declutter with speed and purpose. You'll create instant order in no time, and by making this a daily or weekly habit, you'll never face overwhelming clutter again. Decluttering can sometimes feel overwhelming because it's hard to know where to start, right? That's where the 4-box method comes in. It gives you a clear, structured approach to sorting through your belongings. All you need are 4 boxes or bags labeled Keep, Donate, Sell, and Trash. As you go through your space, make quick decisions and place each item into one of these categories. Let's take an example. You're decluttering your living room and come across an old lamp that no longer fits your decor. If it's still in good condition, place it in the Sell box and list it online for some extra cash. Find a sweater you haven't worn in over a year, toss it in the Donate box. Items that are broken beyond repair, straight to the trash box. This method helps you work systematically, and when you're done, you'll have a room that's not only tidy, but filled with only the items that truly serve you. Closet clutter is one of the most common sources of frustration, and it's no surprise why. How many times have you opened your wardrobe, seen dozens of items, and yet felt like you have nothing to wear? That's where a capsule wardrobe comes to the rescue. The idea is to narrow your wardrobe down to 40 versatile, high-quality pieces that you actually love and wear regularly. Think of it this way. Instead of sifting through mountains of clothes that don't fit, don't match, or no longer suit your style, you're left with a carefully curated collection of timeless pieces. Picture this: a classic white button-down, a pair of well-fitted black trousers, and a chic blazer. These pieces mix and match effortlessly, giving you endless outfit combinations without the clutter. Fewer clothes mean fewer choices, which equals less stress. Does it feel like your countertops, floors, and drawers are constantly overflowing? You might not be lacking space, you're just not using it effectively. That's where vertical storage solutions come into play. When you start using your walls for storage, you free up valuable counter and floor space. It's a smart, minimalist way to declutter without sacrificing functionality. Here's an example. In the kitchen, install hooks to hang your most used pots and pans, or place shelves to store spices and dishes. By going vertical, you keep everything you need within arm's reach without cluttering your counters. The result? A kitchen that feels spacious, organized, and ready for action. Hey there, clutter busters! We're halfway through our list of decluttering hacks, and we hope you're finding these tips helpful. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear which hack is your favorite so far, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button to join our community and keep the clutter-free vibes going. Plus, we've got a special offer just for you. We're giving away a free copy of our ebook, Simplify Your Home. It's a step-by-step guide to a clutter-free life, full of practical tips and strategies. Check out the link in the video description to grab your copy. Now, let's get back to decluttering. We all have sentimental items that hold special memories, but keeping every old memento can lead to overwhelming clutter. Instead of holding on to everything, try decluttering sentimental items with purpose. The key is to be selective. Choose a few meaningful pieces to keep and honor while letting go of the rest. For example, instead of keeping boxes of old letters or photo albums that gather dust in the attic, pick a few favorite photos to frame and scan the rest to store digitally. This way, you preserve the memories without cluttering your physical space. Remember, it's the memories that matter, not the physical objects. If you're living in a small space or simply want to maximize the room you have, multifunctional furniture is a lifesaver. These pieces do double duty, providing both style and storage. A coffee table that doubles as a storage unit, an ottoman that holds blankets or toys, or a bed with built-in drawers for clothes or bedding. All of these help you declutter without sacrificing comfort or style. Imagine having a coffee table that not only holds your coffee but also discreetly stores your books and remotes, or a bed that hides away all your seasonal clothes. Multifunctional furniture makes it easy to keep clutter hidden, giving your home a clean, minimalist look without losing essential items. Does your entryway tend to collect clutter the moment you step through the door? Shoes, keys, bags, mail, it all piles up fast. That's why you need a designated drop zone. This is a specific spot in your home where all those items can land, keeping them off the floor, counters, and chairs. For example, set up a small bench near your entryway with hooks for coats and bags, a tray for keys, and baskets for shoes. The moment you walk through the door, everything has a home, and you instantly prevent clutter from spreading into the rest of your home. It's a simple habit that makes a huge difference. Here's a simple but powerful tip. Keep your surfaces clear. Kitchen counters, tables, and desks often become dumping grounds for random items, and before you know it, they're covered in clutter. By making a conscious effort to keep these surfaces free, you instantly create a sense of calm and order. Here's a creative way to make this work. Choose one or two decorative items that bring you joy, a candle, a plant, or a framed photo, and keep everything else off the surface. The less you have on display, the more open and airy your home feels. Plus, clear surfaces make it easier to clean and maintain, saving you time and effort in the long run. Finally, the key to long-term success is to make decluttering a habit. Don't wait for the clutter to pile up and overwhelm you. Instead, spend just a few minutes each day tidying up one area of your home. Whether it's clearing off the kitchen counter, putting away laundry, or organizing the living room, these small daily efforts will keep your home clutter-free for good. Think of it as maintenance, like brushing your teeth or making your bed. When you make decluttering part of your daily routine, you prevent it from ever becoming an overwhelming task again. It's these little habits that create a home that's not just clutter-free, but also a peaceful retreat from the chaos of the outside world. And there you have it, folks. 10 powerful hacks to help you declutter your home and reclaim your space. From the one-in, one-out rule, to the 20-minute decluttering sprint, the 4-box method to adopting a capsule wardrobe, we've covered a wide range of techniques proven to help you maintain a clutter-free environment. Let's not forget the usefulness of vertical storage solutions, the purposeful decluttering of sentimental items, embracing multifunctional furniture, designating a drop zone, and keeping surfaces clear. And of course, the importance of making decluttering a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so why not start today? Choose one hack that resonates with you and give it a try. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to a cleaner, more organized, and peaceful home. Decluttering is not just about tidying up your physical space, it's about creating a relaxing atmosphere where you can unwind, focus, and enjoy the things that really matter. So here's to a clutter-free home and a clutter-free life. You've got this. Before we wrap up, we've got something special for you. If you found these hacks helpful and want to dive even deeper into the world of decluttering, don't forget to subscribe to our SmartLife Solutions channel. We regularly share practical hacks, tips, and advice to make your life simpler and more organized. And that's not all. We have a free gift for you. Check out the video description below for your free Simplify Your Home ebook. This exclusive guide is your roadmap to a clutter-free life, filled with practical tips, step-by-step decluttering strategies, and motivational advice to keep you on track. So don't miss out. Subscribe, download your free ebook, and let's turn chaos into calm, one room at a time. Remember, a clutter-free home is just a click away.